Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Mobile Battle Royale. First, select your preferred game mode, whether you want to play solo, with one friend in duos, or with 3 friends in 4-player squads. Then, choose your character and customize your loadout with your favorite weapons and perks. Finally, understand the map and drop zones for strategic early game positioning, aiming for areas with good loot and fewer enemies. Once you've landed, your immediate goal is to find essential loot. Prioritize armor, medical supplies like first aid kits, and a reliable weapon with plenty of ammunition. Always keep an eye on the minimap to stay within the safe zone, avoiding damage from the collapsing circle. Vehicles are incredibly useful for faster travel across the large map and for escaping dangerous encounters quickly. When engaging enemies, always try to fight from cover, using the environment to your advantage. Understand your chosen weapon's strengths and weaknesses. For example, a shotgun is great up close, while a sniper rifle excels at long range. In squad modes, clear communication with your teammates is vital for coordinated attacks and revives. Practice movement techniques like sliding and jumping to make yourself a harder target. To secure victory, anticipate enemy movements and plan your rotations to the final circle, aiming for high ground or strategic positions. Don't forget to utilize your score streaks and operator skills, which can turn the tide of a battle. For example, a cluster strike can clear out an area. Most importantly, practice regularly to improve your aim, enhance your map knowledge, and sharpen your decision-making skills in high-pressure situations.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.